Today we are getting fueled up, ready for adventure, and I've got a fantastic recipe to share with you. We went out yesterday towards Cape Tribulation and stopped at an amazing fruit and veg stall, and I picked up these beautiful potatoes grown only an hour away from here. These Tolga potatoes are going to be perfect for hash browns. The first thing is you need to start with the right potato. These are Sebago potatoes and they are fantastic for getting nice and crispy. You don't want a waxy potato. All these need is a quick rinse. I'll get that ready and get our barbecue preheating. Now that our potatoes are beautifully washed, we can grate them. Just grab a bowl. Each potato will make 2 really nice hash browns. If you're a hungry person like me, 1 potato per person is a good way to go. We'll just grate this in. We picked up these potatoes from Skomazan's roadside stall and that inspired me to cook these hash browns today. Now that we have our grated potato, I'm just going to squeeze out all of the excess moisture. Moisture is golden crispiness' worst enemy, so we need to squeeze that out. It's best to do this in small batches. Just grab a handful, pop it into doubled over paper towel and then squeeze it. Now we're not going to rinse our potato, we want to keep some of that starch as that will hold our hash brown together. Just a quick squeeze is all that this will need. Our barbecue is preheated, so I'm just turning that down to medium. Now we are aiming for the ultimate hash browns. We want them cooked the whole way through, so I am par cooking these potatoes. Just straight into our pan, I'm going in with some ghee. This will add a beautiful, almost cheesy, buttery flavour the whole way through the hash brown. Just add in about 2 teaspoons straight into your pan. That's definitely on medium. We want to keep that down. And now we're just going to cook these in a couple batches. We're just going to cook this potato for around 5 to 10 minutes. We just want it to soften. Now I'm not mashing the potato, just stirring it. We don't want to break the potato down too much. We simply just want to cook it through. So you will need to stir these every couple of minutes just to try and keep them broken up. Just keep flipping and stirring. You don't want it to go too golden at this part, just to cook through. This is looking fantastic. Now you could do this on a barbecue hot plate, but I love using our frying pans. They are so versatile. You can bake in them, you can make sauces, everything. Pancakes, fantastic. They're so easy to clean and easy to travel with as well. Get yourself one of these. So I'll pop this straight back on and we'll cook our next batch. And our second batch is all done. Pour that in. Now I'm just going to return the pan back to the barbecue and then add in some canola oil. We'll put our cue back onto high heat. Our potatoes are already cooked, we just want the magic of high heat. Now for our potato mixture, I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper. You can give that a mix around with a fork. I like to use a fork to keep it nice and fluffy. Now you could mix it up here. You could add garlic, parmesan, bits of bacon maybe, but I am just doing the old simple classic potato salt and pepper. Okay, so our pan doesn't need to preheat too long because it's already hot. Just going to spoon in our potato mixture. There we are. Switch over to plastic. You never want to use metal in your frying pans. Just going to shape that and squash that a bit. I've gone in with about a handful amount of potato here. You could technically make 1 huge hash brown, but I want to create a hash brown stack. This will cook for about 4 minutes aside until it's deep golden. Look at that. We've got some bacon going because we have an action-packed adventure day. These hash browns are ready. Look at that. Have a look at this smorgasbord, our amazing crunchy hash browns. Quick little finish with salt. And then I have some beautiful local delicacies, of course, avocado. And then I have a mammy sapote, which I cannot wait to try. I've never had it before. Look at that, perfect avocado. And I can't wait to try this last beauty. This may well just be the next superfood, moringa. It has 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and all 9 essential amino acids. I cannot wait to try. Amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. I think we're ready to go out on an adventure. It's time for you to get away in weather. But first, I want you to come in nice and close and see that